Here's a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. I'm going to show you how to use the screen recording feature so you can record whatever on your screen. So first thing is go ahead and sign into your phone, and then top right hand side, slide down. Here's your control center here. You see that little line right down there? You want to grab that and just slide a little bit more. And now we simply want to look for screen recorder. Okay, it's right there. Now first thing is let's just long press it. Let's tap and hold screen recorder. And if you do that, it'll bring up the settings here. Okay, you can see we got JPEG on there. You can do PNG, where it's going to be saved at. Video quality is on the highest 1080p. You can see down there, you can see the selfie size video. You can increase or decrease that size if you want to use that as well. So let me just go back here. Now let me go back to the screen recorder. So let me go top right hand side, slide down. That little line right there, let me slide that down. And let me go to screen recorder. This time I want to tap on it. Now you can see we can do two things here. We can record in full screen, or we can record in partial screen. We can select the part that we want. Also down here, you have audio to record. If you have none, then no audio is going to come out. If you do media, the only video or the only audio is going to be recorded is the audio coming out of your phone. If you do media and mic, it's going to record all the audio coming out and you talking over the mic and maybe any background noise as well. And of course we got show taps and touches right there. Let's just do partial screen really fast, and I'll leave it on mic and media. I'm going to start recording here. And then, okay, so before I start recording here, you have this little thing here, and you can go ahead and put it whatever size you want it, and then you just tap on record, gives you a countdown. 3, 2, 1, and you can go testing, do whatever you want on there, and then you can pause it and then go somewhere else on the screen and then resume, or we can just go ahead and stop it. Let's just go ahead and stop it. And then every time you stop it, it's going to be automatically saved into your gallery folder right here. So let me tap on that. And then from there, just tap on albums, and then you should have a new folder called screen recordings right here. Okay, so tap on that last video I just did right there, and let me press on play. It was that little area. Okay, anyway, let's do the full screen. Okay, so top right hand side, let's slide down this little middle line right there. Let's slide down again, and let's go to screen recorder right there. Let's tap on that. Let's do full screen this time. Let's do mic and media. So it's going to record me speaking over it. We'll do taps and touches, and I'm going to start recording. Countdown, 3, 2, 1. Action, testing, 1, 2, 3. Here's a little selfie video, the window right here. We can go ahead and move that around. We can use a pen here, and you can write things on there as well. And testing, 1, 2. You can pause it, and then you can resume, or we can stop right here. Let me just stop it here. Okay, and now let's go ahead and see that video. Go under Galaxy. Screen recording, that last one right there. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Here's a little selfie video, the window right here. We can go ahead and move that around. We can use a pen here, and you can write things on there as well. And testing, 1, 2. Anyway, there you guys go. I think you pretty much got the message. Questions or issues? Comment below.